if global demand growth is still robust, and the major economies of the world where we've seen some very significant vaccination programs, there's people coming back and wanting to consume. Now, I don't think people will want to sell down the Asian markets particularly aggressively if they know that there are orders sitting there to be fulfilled once these companies can get back to work again. Now, if we were to go to another level where we see major economies completely locked down and fear in terms of these countries being able to medically deal with the problem at hand, then I think we're at a completely different place in the markets, and there could be downside risk. But for the moment, authorities are dealing with it. There is still sort of strong global demand, and therefore no one would want to sell down equities in any part of the world.
And so, in terms of an investment theme, what would be your top investment bet in this part of the world? I think just extending that story out, I would think that if the US comes back, if Europe comes back, UK does okay, then exporters will get a facelift across Asia. Do you think that's a place to go?
It is, and in this kind of market conditions, you need to buy things when they're falling, and perhaps you've got least confidence. And that's two major markets in Asia at the moment. That's China and Japan. Japan has almost been kind of mini collapse, given the problems of COVID in the country at the moment and the lockdowns, and clearly some reservations about whether the Olympics should go ahead. But that is a country that's seen remarkable improvement in returns from its corporate sector. And in China, we had a dramatic start to the year, which was an exaggeration of the good news. We've come back a long way, but still we've got a multi-year period where we're going to see good growth and development of those capital markets. And most international investors are very underrepresented. So, Biden will spend a lot of money for a year, then you're going to worry about US growth. But in China, you get consistency. So buy when you get these kind of periods of weakness.